everybody, welcome to the IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to bring you about a personal AI that I have created thanks to a free tool called Ollama. But before we get into that, let me thank our members for being a member to the channel. Thank you for that, guys. You are what makes this channel good, what makes us inspired to continue making videos. So thank you. And those of you who are not a member, if you're interested in supporting the channel by becoming a member, please feel free to do so. That will help us a lot, and it will continue to help us bring you more things, more contents to the channel. Thank you so much. Now let's get into it. So first things first, we're gonna need to pull up our Ollama. So our Ollama is running on a PC, this PC over here with 64 gig of memory, a Ryzen 7, and we are also got a specs that is very good in terms of graphics. And so we're running a graphics NVIDIA RTX 470. I want a 490, but it's hard to get 490 in this modern age. It's always sold out, especially the Founder Edition. This is the Founder Edition what we got, so it's really nice. So now let's see here if we can go ahead and now log in. We're gonna go to the local host. It says here. Well, let's see what's new here. That's fine. I'm just gonna say we're using the Pi 3 right now. We can just say what is the latest module model you want to use. We're gonna use the Llama 3.2 with 3.2 billion. We're gonna get rid of Pi 3. I'm just gonna say hi. So you can see it's talking back. Can you video? So I'm just gonna say, you see, it's talking about it, talking back to us. And this is good. What is good about this AI is that you actually don't need to use ChatGPT no more. You don't have to use any like a Meta AI. You don't have to use like a Google Gemini. This is a personal AI running in our server, local server. So we don't have to worry about giving sensitive data to this AI because the data is going to be in-house for us. It's running on our server. And the other thing is this AI, we can train it to do whatever we want it to. So if we wanted to train this AI to know how to use our scripts, what documents we have, we could train it to do it. And how you do that, we're simply gonna come over here to the send button, upload files, and from that point on, we can actually upload it. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually upload all this documents over here. This is a Comfy UI flow. Let me see if it will handle it. I'm gonna upload this. I'm trying to teach it how to use Comfy AI, maybe give me a similar workflow. So I'm gonna train it to do that. So right now I'm doing excessive training, but I'm gonna do that anyway. So you can see here, once we do that, let me exit this update UI. So that's it. So that's updated there, and then let me upload more things. I know I have some scripts. So let's upload some scripts. That might be the easier one actually. Let me go ahead and actually upload some more Comfy UI. Okay. So training this with more data. So the next thing we're gonna upload with this thing is gonna be going to my AI. All right, so there you go, it's doing that. You can see spitting up all the code for us. And it's gonna try to read out aloud for us because I set it to do that for us. So, and this is also the Pi, the Microsoft OpenAI. This is from the Microsoft AI, and this is from the Llama 3.2 latest. So you can see here, this one's a little bit behind, and you can see the comparison. So you can see Microsoft OpenAI relationship begin 2019. You can read side by side basically. So ultimately, this is some ways you can actually program here. A website. See, this is what he wants us to do. He wants us to go ahead and actually, use that. We're gonna do that, no problem. So now it's gonna go ahead. This Pi is already getting on it, but the Llama is slower in here. So comparison, Pi says I got you, and then in here is the other one over here. You can see it's trying. There you go. It's pulling up the code, the logo. is doing that. So pi is faster on that instant. How about, okay, so let's see who's gonna spit the code faster. I'm gonna actually take pi out of it for a second. Although it's already trying, they both trying to spit the code out for us. So here it is. On the left-hand side, you can see it's doing the view. So that is how you call the unlocking the future power of the world. You can see that how fast it's doing. You can see this is a preview of what our website will look like along with the code. And I could go ahead and actually, what is this back button here? We could make it bigger. And then that way you can see here more information about it. So history, plans, current. Let me go ahead and actually tell it to do more. Make it, and all right, so now it's gonna do it again, but it's gonna try to make it have images and kids friendly. So let's see what it looks like right now. We could end up destroying the website, but now we could also make it bigger. Here it is. It has images now. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not liking it. This is not great. It's not great. Mm, So make it professional. So again, it's gonna go back at it again. It's gonna keep doing this one, but this is where you're gonna actually get your code developed for you, and you can see in real time the fact that we're seeing a preview. It's really nice. So I can see here. Oh wow, yeah, it looks much better. Look at that, guys. Much better. I'll use this for sure. You know, it's really nice. That is very nice indeed. Like if we make it our code is smaller, it's really not bad. Not bad at all. The view timeline, you can see the timeline. Yeah, Microsoft and the OpenAI relationship. Now you can learn more about it. Okay, how about into one page and easier to find. Again, this is trying to see how we can do it. So you can see here it's gonna try to do this, and it's gonna try to make this easier to follow for us. I mean, you guys can see this how the result is. The result's looking great already, and you can see it's pulling up right now. Wow, there you go. Much nicer than before, actually, I would say. So you guys see here history, current, and then you got a future development, and there you go. Now, let me add more granular thing. Now I'm gonna say here, we're gonna actually add info timeline, the important of the partnership, actually. I'm adding more and more here. So it's gonna go ahead and actually mess with that code inside of that, and then it should be able to show us. Yeah, I don't like this. This one is messed up a little bit. Yeah, it said history, view timeline. So I messed it up a little bit, but go back, go back to previous version. Okay, let me see if it will go back because we messed up our website. We want to see if he's go back. If he does go back, that's something I haven't tested it. That'll be great. So let's continue testing this thing. Okay, it did not really go back, but it's tried. It's tried to do something. Let me just go for make it and minimal. There you go. We got it by hitting copy. We're able to get that. So let me see if I can save this and then pull up in the web in my web page here. We're gonna do save as. We're gonna name it index.html, and then we're gonna go ahead and just do this. We're gonna put it under downloads for now, okay, or somewhere else better. All right, good. Now we got this saved. Let's go back and see right here. If we double click here, just once, there we go. That is awesome. That's our web page right here that we created with AI. In a matter of minutes, guys, we got something really nice. Obviously, I could make something even more better for us, but right now, I'm just gonna show you quickly how we can go ahead and do this. So if you like this type of video, you wanna see more information about this, more information about Llama, let me know. And I'm also can show you how to deploy this from scratch on your computer. If you wanna see that detailed instructional video, let me know. See you later, guys. Peace.